Isn't it amazing to pursue a highly demanding master's program in Italy in the field of data science in just 2 to 4 lakh rupees? That can make you earn around 10 lakh rupees per annum on an average. Being a student, you must make sure कि आप वही डिग्री चूज करें जिसकी डिमांड फ्यूचर में बढ़ने वाली है. Currently, the demand of a data science degree is increasing immensely all over the world. But what is the role of a data scientist? एक data scientist business issues को solve करने के लिए raw data पर काम करता है and अपनी analytical skills use करके insights create करता है to solve those issues and to ensure the smooth running and growth of business. So pursuing a degree in this field will definitely be a smart choice, and if you are doing it from abroad, it will be a cherry on the cake. So let's see the basic requirements to study data science in Italy. You must have 3 years bachelor's degree or equivalent diploma, previous education in mathematics, physics, economics, बायो एंड रिलेटेड फील्ड एंड इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज प्रोफिशिएंसी. फीस की अगर हम बात करें सो इट इज अ 2 years कोर्स फॉर विच द फीस इज अराउंड 1 lakh to 2 lakh rupees per year depending on the university. Now some top universities in Italy for data science are University of Padua, University of Pisa, Sapienza University of Rome, Polytechnic University of Milan, University of Bologna, etc. And now here are some top degrees to pursue in this field. Masters in Data Science and Business Analytics, MSc in Data Science and Economics, Masters in Applied Data Science, Data Analytics and Decision Sciences, etc. Now the question is how much a data scientist can earn. इंडिया में एक डेटा साइंटिस्ट 7 to 9 lakh rupees per annum earn कर सकता है and in Italy he can earn around 30 to 35,000 euros per year on an average. But after gaining some experience he can earn much more than this. So if you are a science student and looking for a master's course, a degree in data science from Italy can be an outstanding choice and will open the doors of numerous opportunities for you. We hope this information was useful for you. Let us know in the comments if you have any doubts regarding this video. Thanks for watching.